This guy spent $500,000 on a 3D printing machine to build his house, and the result will shock you. No construction crew, no bricks, just one giant 3D printer creating a masterpiece. It prints the house layer by layer using concrete that's strong enough to last up to 300 years. What normally takes humans months is now finished in just 2 days. And the coolest part, you can actually change the wall textures as it prints, making patterns and designs that turn the house into something truly unique. And just like that, in just 2 days, the machine created the house walls with perfect textures and patterns all by itself. But did you actually know that